Today we have Aoli here, and Aoli has CMT and she just got fit with a Helios braces. So Aoli, if you could tell us some of your bracing history and things you've experienced.
So I started off with full leg on plastic, and I would have to say they were not the best, memories that I had for, AFO braces, because, they always gave me a lot of blisters and calluses. And, something always said in my mind that, at least I can walk with them, better than nothing. But at the same time, a part of me said that there must be something better out there. Now it's a little less about calluses and it's more about the support of my ankles. So. And I very much love the Helios brace because I'm wearing old shoes right now. Doesn't matter, fits great, very comfortable. My ankle is snatched, but not too snatched where it strains it too much. It gives a little stretching. My feet is in place and I'm walking much better, which I love that. I love how I'm walking much straighter, that's for sure.
Right, and so we got your Helios today. And before you came in, you had the off-the-shelf braces, right?
Yes, I did. Not customized whatsoever. They just plopped it on me and says, did some molding here and there. I walk out of that store that day and I feel a lot of discomfort, on and off, doing a lot of walking especially. So these are much better.
Right. Now, I know one of your things you explained to me is your loss of balance and
Yes.
that you couldn't stand. Could you tell us how it feels now with the Helios, how your balance feels?
Much better. I can stand 10 minutes, 15 minutes. In the very beginning, today, I'm just being fitted for them. So, I have great balance. We even timed my balance. It was great. Compared to my old ones, since they were taken right off the shelf, they have a lot of curvature towards the bottom. So, if my shoes are old, my balance is gonna be off and I sway a lot more. Versus these, they put me right straight. Even if I didn't want to be, I'm straight, which I love that.
Right. All right. Well, you look fantastic, and your walking's coming along. Mm-hmm. We want to wish you much success, and we'll check up with you in the future.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.